lot going on. This is for a whole different video than what I'm going to show you today. So, but I wanted to get this in since I'm cooking it for lunch for my family. And this is Salisbury steak, and it makes a lot. And I'll cook what I need today, and then I'll make out the patties and lay them on a wax paper lined baking sheet, and then freeze them. And then you just take out what you need and cook it when you want to cook it. So if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use 5 pounds of ground beef. Break it up. To that, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of plain breadcrumbs. I don't think I've got enough plain breadcrumbs, so I'm going to use what I have and finish it off with Italian. A little flavor never hurts. And then I'm going to add a chopped onion, and I put it in my little mini chopper to get it minced real fine. Because in this, I do like the onion to be minced real fine, and that'll help give you some moisture too. And then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of minced garlic. Maybe about a clove or 2. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of a whole grain mustard. And I need a teaspoon of salt. And like I mentioned before, I always use kosher salt, but you can use whatever you like. I only got some fresh. I got about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of fresh parsley. You can use dry if you need to, but just cut down on the amount you use. And I need 4 large eggs. Half a cup, should be whole milk, but I didn't have whole milk, so I'm just using 2%. It'll still be good. And 1/4 cup of heavy cream. All that goodness out. And red pepper flakes. There we go. It says a 1/2 teaspoon. I just do a pinch. You can make it as spicy as you like. Alright. And the best way to do this is just to get in there with your hands and mix it all up, just like you do a meatloaf. And what I do is I'll heat my oven to 350 And see, if it's thawed, it should cook about 20 minutes. Mine are usually frozen, and you cook it about 30 minutes and start checking it. And then I make my gravy. I'll show you that later. Right now, we're just getting them mixed up, and I'm getting my patties made out and flash freeze them. Just make them as big as you want. I usually just get a fistful and mash them flat. And I just lay them out on my pan. Okay, now they're frozen. I've got me some Ziploc bags, and I'm gonna write what they are, the date, and get them ready for the freezer. And 4 of them I'm gonna hold out for lunch. Now the one I'm cooking for my family today, I'm just gonna line my pan for easy cleanup. And I'm just going to put 4 on here and cook it for 350 for about 30 minutes. And the rest of these are going in the freezer. So I'll have meals a few more times. I have got 3 tablespoons of Crisco shortening and a tablespoon of bacon grease. And I'm letting that melt in my pan for the gravy for the Salisbury steak. And once that starts melting, I've got a small onion that I've thinly sliced. And this is 2 cups of water and a heaping teaspoon of better than bouillon, the beef flavor. We're going to put flavor in this thing every which way we can. We'll go ahead and onions in there to going. And I just cut it in half and then sliced it thinly. They'll cook up. Onions are cooking. They're starting to brown just a little bit on the edges. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt to them and let them keep on cooking. I think they're good tender. Now I'm going to take 1/4 cup of plain flour and brown it. Gravy became so much easier for me to fix once I learned the 4-4-2 rule. 4 tablespoons of oil, grease, shortening of some kind. 4 tablespoons of flour, which is 1/4 cup, and 2 cups of liquid. And for brown gravy, you just let the flour darken a little more than you would if you were doing a white gravy. And you would add water or beef stock or chicken stock, and instead of milk, which you would add for white gravy. I add milk and a little bit of heavy cream for my white gravy. But that was a game changer for me. When I first started making gravy, you could slice it like a piece of cake. My gravy's kind of starting to brown a little bit. You can see that. See how it's brown, my flour. And now I will whisk in my 2 cups of water with the better than bouillon. I love it better than bouillon. But you can use beef stock also. And you can use plain water if you have to. But the better than bouillon or beef stock gives it a whole lot more flavor. I'll be taking out my meat. It is hot in this kitchen. When you can, and then cooking lunch too. It gets a bit warm. Especially on the first day of July. And you just stir this till it's already starting to thicken up. Didn't take long at all. And then you just want to add just a little bit of salt to taste. You don't want to over salt it. And a little bit of pepper. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. Now, I'll just put my meat into the gravy. I forgot to spray my bowl. Thankfully it didn't stick too bad. Now I'm just gonna flip it over. And it's ready to go. I've got my mashed potatoes done, got my green beans. It's gonna be like a TV dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, bye.